Alright, so this is just a very quick overview of my actual product or project, which is more than just a charge controller. So which, if you watch my previous video, that was the solar charge controller. This is my actual product, so it's a box. It's got Learn Through Doing, my YouTube channel, website, and then made by me, open hardware. And at the back, I've got a code. And then, so it's an engineering teaching kit. So you can see I've got a little letter there from me, or a little note. And then inside, I've got 8 rechargeable batteries. I've got an Arduino plus a battery holder. And then solar panel in here. And then if we move this to the side, inside here, I've got like a printed out tutorial, which is just as an example. The plan was to make a bunch of different tutorials. So here's, for example, one on shunt resistors. Open it up, and then how to make a shunt, which I've actually got a video on, what a shunt looks like, how do shunt resistors work, calculating the current, important things to know, making a DIY shunt resistor, and yeah. So the purpose of this video is basically just in case I don't get to demonstrate my product on Friday for whatever reason, then this video exists to show that I did actually do it. So here's the PCB that I designed, which you guys, so if I was to, for example, sell the kit, it would come with this PCB and then along with all of the components. So you can make it on a perf board, you can make the same thing on a breadboard, and then you know what you need to make it on a breadboard, all the components that you would need, so resistors, header pins, an IRL Z34N MOSFET, LEDs, a polyfuse, a big fat chunky diode, that kind of stuff. And then I've got the INA 219 current sensor. There should be a display module in here as well, but I didn't have any spare. Some cables to connect your solar panel, and then USB to program your Arduino. And that's everything of all the contents inside the box, which hopefully I should do a lot more videos on in future. Again, this one was just in case, I don't know, something happens to me before Friday morning.